When you spend your time with your pets, you will feel happy, and so many things. You will able to reduce your depression. You will gain happiness. That's why you keep pets at your home. I have kept three pets. This is Destiny, this is Queen, and this is Pleasure. I have given beautiful names to them because I love them from the core of my heart. That's why I am keeping them like this. You people are thinking how much time I am spending with my dogs. Um, Approximately lot of time I am spending with my dogs because they are taking care of me. Not means that they will feed me. They are um, always doing guard, and they are barking whenever any unknown person coming to our house. So I feel safety and I enjoy life with my pets. They are very friendly and cute. Stop.